Concerns are growing among Bengaluru voters over the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rules, with several citizens questioning the verification process carried out by booth-level officers. Senior television journalist Raghavan raised concerns over the SIR exercise through a post on the X platform. He alleged that more than 1 crore voters have reportedly been removed from the electoral rolls, raising questions about the verification process followed during the revision exercise. Sharing his personal experience, Raghavan stated that 3 voters were registered in his household. However, despite 2 BLOs being assigned for verification, no officer visited his residence. He said he personally submitted the required SIR forms, but despite this, he and his son were marked under the ASDDO category as absent, while his wife's status was recorded as shifted. His experience has raised concerns over whether genuine voters could be unintentionally excluded from the electoral rolls due to gaps in the verification process. Following his post, several voters on X shared similar experiences and alleged difficulties during the SIR exercise. Many claimed that BLOs neither visited their homes nor contacted them for verification. Some voters alleged that their names were categorized as absent, shifted, or uncollectible, despite no physical verification being conducted. Some claimed that BLOs did not attempt to contact them, while others alleged that voter details available with officials did not contain proper addresses or mobile numbers. Several voters said they completed their SIR forms online and believed their verification was complete as their names did not appear in the ASDDO list. Others alleged that when they approached BLOs, they found their family details marked as shifted despite continuing to live at the same location, forcing them to collect and submit forms again with updated information. Voters from different parts of Bengaluru also alleged that BLOs had not visited their apartments, offices, or residential areas. Some citizens claimed that even after contacting BLOs, they were informed that their names had already been marked as uncollectible and were advised to approach the Tahsildar's office. Several voters expressed concern that they had been voting for many years and were born and brought up in Karnataka, yet their names were suddenly appearing under ASDDO categories. The allegations have raised a serious question before the Election Commission of Karnataka. If BLOs are responsible for protecting citizens' voting rights through proper ground-level verification, can negligence in carrying out these duties be ignored? BLOs play a crucial role in maintaining accurate electoral rolls by conducting field verification, collecting voter information, and updating records. Any failure in this process can directly impact the democratic rights of eligible voters. Voters are now demanding accountability and strict action against officials found neglecting their responsibilities, while emphasizing that every eligible citizen must get a fair opportunity to remain part of the electoral process. The Election Commission has maintained that the SIR exercise includes provisions for verification, filling objections, and making corrections before the final electoral rules are prepared. However, the concerns raised by voters have intensified the debate over transparency and accountability in the voter verification process.